Hello everyone, I'm Anurag Pandit. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I will tell you how you can check table space information inside Oracle database. So let's get started. So first we have to log in on the server. So I already did, but let me show you. Let me set the environment variable. So I set it. So you have to select the data. You have to set the database environment in which database you want to see. You want to see the table space details. So as you can see right now, ORCL database is running on my server. So I am going to connect with ORCL database using sysdba. Yes. So now I'm able to connect with the database. So if I want to check the table space details, so first, so the view is describe v dollar table space. So this view contains the information about the table space. So select ts hash name. Okay, no worries. Let me select start from v dollar table space. Yeah, so you can see these are the table space. Table spaces are created in the database. So this is a SOX system table space, undo TVS table space. This is the users table space. This is the template table space, and this is the demo table space which I created for some testing purpose. So yes, so you can just exit from here. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will help you. So please do like and subscribe and do comment. And yeah, I will happy to answer your questions and clear your doubts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.